guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Tomorrow is September 1st, so I decided to record very quick tutorial about how you can apply autumn effect to your background or text in Adobe Photoshop CC. Let's jump. As you can see, I have opened my Adobe Photoshop CC and also I have created my simple document. You can create your document in any size you want to. Everything is up to you. It's your creation, it's your art. So everything is up to you or up to your client. By default right now I have only one layer, background layer, and this layer is locked. To unlock your background layer, simply click on a lock icon and voila. I will switch to paint basket tool and I fill my background layer with this beautiful fall color. I will switch to horizontal type tool. In the options bar, I will click on color icon and I will change color for my text. I will change this color later on one more time. So I will type autumn. Using the move tool, I will reposition my text. Now guys, I will highlight my background layer. I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to a brush tool and I will change color for my brush to the white. In my brushes panel, you can see that I have many different brushes. All those brushes created by Kyle Webster, and I downloaded them from Adobe website. If you are Creative Cloud subscriber, all those brushes are free for you. Go download and start using them right now. So also in my brushes panel, you can see that I have created my favorite watercolor brushes. I will click on this brush because I would like to use this brush in my today's workflow. I will increase the size of my brush and I will apply my first brush stroke. I like this effect, and few more brush strokes, just like that. I will create a new empty layer and I will change color for my brush to another very beautiful autumn color, dark red color. And by the way, mode for my brush is a normal. And now I will create a few new brush strokes, just like that. Guys, just because I'm using separate layers, I can modify this layer and I will bring down opacity of this layer, just like that. I will create a new empty layer. I will switch color for my brush to the yellow, very beautiful yellow color, and I will apply few brush strokes. Just like that, guys. Nothing is too complicated. What I will do right now, I will highlight my autumn layer. I will switch to horizontal text tool, type tool, and I will change color for my text. Now I have contrast and I love it. I will click OK to accept this color. Time to create a new layer. I will switch to my simple brush tool. I will change color to the white. And in my brushes panel, you can see that I have special effects brushes. I will click on the first brush. I will bring down size of my brush, just like that. And I will start paint over my text. Maybe I will bring size down more, just like that. Alright, and I will start paint over my text, just like that, guys. Nothing is too complicated. You can use any brush you like. I just love this effect. I will increase size of my brush, not too much, about probably 15, and I will continue just paint over my text, just like that. And now I will bring down opacity of this layer, just like this. How beautiful is it? If you would like to add more details, simply create a new empty layer, switch to another brush. I will bring down size of my brush. Using same white color, I will apply few brush strokes, just like that. And again, guys, it's your creation. Everything is up to you. Just like that. And I will bring down opacity of this layer as well. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. You can use this method in your background or text workflow. Create something unique, create something very beautiful using amazing autumn colors. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.